this blessed occasion of Jubilee 2025, we, the altar servers, lift our hearts in gratitude to all who have walked beside us on our journey of faith and service. To our dear priests, your example of humble service and spiritual leadership inspires us daily. Thank you for entrusting us with the sacred privilege of serving at the altar. Your prayers, guidance, and blessings have shaped our path and deepened our devotion. To our beloved parents and family friends, thank you for your unwavering support, your gentle encouragement, and your quiet sacrifices. You have nurtured our journey with patience and prayer, guiding us toward the altar with hearts full of love. Your presence today is a testament to the grace that flows through family and friendship. To our dedicated coordinators, with heartfelt appreciation, we thank you for your tireless efforts, your thoughtful planning, and your constant care. You have not only organized this beautiful celebration, but have also helped us grow in discipline, reverence, and joy. Your commitment has made this day truly special. Lastly, we want to thank each one of you here today. Your participation and presence enhance our communal worship and strengthen the bonds of our faith community. As we depart from this sacred place, we renew our promise to serve with faithfulness, humility, and love. May this day be a reflection of the unity we share and the grace that binds us together. Thank you all once again. May God bless all of us abundantly.